My name is Roy Ventura, 31 years of age. I am an engineer by profession before I decided to be an entrepreneur as a financial advisor. Hindi ko din actually alam kung kakayanin ko kasi mahiyain ako. I don't have any experience sa sales, specifically insurance. So, sabi ko, paano gagawin ko? Diba? However, I realized along the way na kung wala akong gagawing bago at mananatili ako bilang empleyado, paano ko maabot yung pangarap ko? So, I tried it first as a part-time financial advisor. Part-time ako for almost 8 months before I go to full-time. Isa sa pinakamagandang benepisyo bilang isang financial advisor is the unlimited income opportunity. You know what? And, you know, along the way, nagsisisi ako. Nagsisisi ako kasi bakit ngayon ko lang dalaman itong opportunity na ito? And you know what? As an employee, as we all know, laging may ceiling, no? Laging may ceiling na kahit anong sipag mo, anong galing mo, kahit anong overtime mo, lalaki mo lang yung sweldo mo, konting-konti lang. Correct? And you know what? Yung kinita ko as an engineer for 1 year is kinita ko lang for at least 2 weeks as a financial advisor. Well, I guess the moment that you are still watching here, up to now, you are looking for something. Right? Something that might help you para maabot yung pangarap mo. Or maybe something para mabago ang buhay mo. Friend, hindi aksidente na napanood mo tong video na to. Maybe it's time para abutin mo na yung pangarap mo. It's time to unleash the best version of yourself. It's time to dream big. Kasama mo kami.